When analysing the markets, we should think of ourselves as akin to police detectives, very much in the spirit of Sherlock Holmes. The analyst's job is to go about gathering evidence using various methods and techniques, and in so doing build a case that forms conclusions. As is alluded to in Frost and Prechter's Elliott wave principle of 1978, paraphrasing Sherlock Holmes, once we eliminate the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth. Elliott wave analysis is adept in doing this. This is a stock price chart of RELX, or Reed Elsevier as it used to be known, the London listed information and analytics company. Let's see how we build a case. First of all, we can see that from the March 2021 low, there appears to have been a 5-wave advance. Solid evidence of that comes by using the guideline of alternation, with wave 2 being a sharp zigzag decline and wave 4 being an expanded flat. Indeed, extra evidence for the expanded flat labelling comes by noticing that wave C of 4 equaled exactly 1.618 times the length of wave A, which is a common relationship. Next, notice that wave 3 appears extended, and so we can use ratio analysis to determine a potential target zone for wave 5. That comes between 2376 and 2444, where wave 5 equals the length of wave 1 in nominal and percentage terms. Then, even more evidence comes by using Elliott channeling. Connecting a line between the end of wave 2 and the end of wave 4, and then drawing a parallel line from the end of wave 3, gives us a clue as to where wave 5 might end. As we can see, that is aligned with the target zone. Therefore, from this evidence, we can conclude that it's very probable that RELX is close to completing wave 5 of its advance from March 2021. If that's correct, we can anticipate a decline back towards the end of wave 4 at 2098. Much as Sherlock Holmes found it elementary, this is a good example of how we build a case using the Elliott wave principle.